I'm Priyanka Nambagyan. My question answer chapter of the Heritage of India. Take the correct alternative. The essay The Heritage of India has been extracted from The Wonder That Was India, United India, Divided India, for India of People Hope. Option number A, The Wonder That Was India. They say the heritage of India clarifies that Indian culture is all inclusive or non asymmetry inherited. Yeah, for wonderful. Option number A, all inclusive. Answer the question in 30 to 40 words. How did Gandhi look at the theme of social service? Gandhiji looked at the theme of social service as a religious duty, and the development continues under Gandhiji's successor. वो सोशल सर्विस को रिलीजियस ड्यूटी के थ्रू देखते थे और डेवलपमेंट कंटिन्यू करते थे गांधी जी सक्सेसर के थ्रू अंडर what why can't according to author Gandhiji be considered the epitome of Hindu tradition. According to the author, Gandhi cannot be considered the epitome of Hindu tradition as he was much influenced by western idea क्योंकि वो सबसे ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस किससे थे वेस्टर्न आइडिया से. Who influenced Gandhi in his pacifism? In his pacifism, Gandhi was influenced by Jesus Christ and Tolstoy. किससे वो influenced थे? Jesus Christ और Tolstoy से. How, according to the author, will Hindu civilization retain its continuity? According to the author, Hindu civilization will retain its continuity as our holy books will continue to inspire us towards good thought and deeds. What were the main sources of Gandhiji philosophy of his life? Gandhiji philosophy of his life were very much influenced by Western ideas. His antipathy to the caste was influenced by 19th century European liberalism, inspired by Sermons on the Mount and Tolstoy. What important changes have taken place in India after independence? The feeling of national self destruction and extreme patriotism regarding cultures has disappeared. Caste system is getting weaker डे बाय डे इन फ्री इंडिया. कास्ट सिस्टम धीरे धीरे खत्म होते जा रहा है. What evidence does A.L. Bhasan cite to prove that India culture has changed a lot? He tells that now Brahmas travel along with the people of so-called lowest caste in bus train without any thought of pollution. Temple are open for all. आज मंदिर सबके लिए ओपन है और जो ब्राह्मण्स होते हैं वो लोअर कास्ट पीपल के साथ भी ट्रैवल करते हैं. दिस इज़ एन एविडेंस दैट इंडियन कल्चर हैज़ चेंज लॉट. यही एक एविडेंस इससे पता चलता है कि इंडियन कल्चर बहुत बदल चुका है. Answer in 60 to 80 words. How has Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Vivekananda, and Gandhi viewed social service? Raja Ram Mohan Roy propagated that social reform is a true social service. He sounded that the theme with his passionate advocacy of social reform. Vivekananda also viewed social service as social reform, but he gave it a nationalist tone. He declared that the highest form of service of the Great Mother was social service. Mahatma Gandhi developed the theme of social service as a religious duty. Hindu civilization constitutes the culture of synthesis. Hindu civilization in the past has received, adapted, and digested elements of many different cultures: Indo-Europeans, Mesopotamia, Iranian, Greek, Roman, Turkish, Persian, Arab. With each new influence, it has somewhat changed. Now it is on the way to assimilate the culture of the West, influenced with the Western ideas. Hindu civilization has already given up its evil practice. Thus it is performing an act of synthesis of our age-old tradition with the high ideas of other culture. State whether true or false. Gandhi campaigning of women's right is a result of Western influence? True. The writer believed that the Indians of coming generation will not be unconvinced and self-conscious copies of Europeans? True. The author film believe in that tradition continues as it will never be lost? True. The Indian way of life in which is much affected by labor saving device of West? False. Okay, match the column. Something that shows a set of qualities. It is epitome. Something inherited from an earlier generation. Heritage. Orthodox conservation, liberalism, a philosophy that expounds freedom, progress, and liberty of man. Large pile of wood from burning of dead body, pyre. Now, next is mm, yep. Answer in short answers. What is a false judgment about Mahatma Gandhi and why? Mahatma Gandhi is generally considered as the epitome of Hindu tradition. This is a false judgment. It is because he was much influenced with Western ideas. महात्मा गांधी को कंसिडर किया गया था एपिटोम ऑफ हिंदू ट्रेडिशन. ये बहुत ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा फॉल्स जजमेंट है क्योंकि वो सबसे ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस किससे थे वेस्टर्न आइडियाज से. What changes does the lesson mention in the condition of women? The lesson mentioned that burning of women on their husband pyres had long before been stopped. मतलब पहले क्या होता था कि अगर किसी का हस्बैंड मर जाता था तो वुमेन को भी ज़िंदा उसकी चिता में बैठा दिया जाता था मरने के लिए. और ये भी रोक दिया गया है बिकॉज नाउ दे के नॉट बी मैरिड इन चाइल्डहुड. दस कंडीशन से इम्प्रूव और अभी कंडीशन बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो चुकी है. कास्ट इज़ वैनिशिंग एलाबोरेट. टुडे वी कैन सी पीपल ऑल कास्ट ट्रैवलिंग टुगेदर इन बसेस एंड ट्रेन. आज हम देखते हैं कि सारे कास्ट के लोग ट्रेन और बस में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. टेम्पल्स आर ओपन टू ऑल पीपल ऑफ कास्ट. और सारे कास्ट के लोगों के लिए टेम्पल ओपन है. दस इट कैन सेट द कास्ट इज वैनिशिंग. इससे हमको पता चलता है कि कास्ट सिस्टम धीरे धीरे खत्म होते जा रहा है. आंसर इन 60 वर्ड. Describe the main elements of Gandhian philosophy as mentioned in lesson. The lesson described the main element of Gandhian philosophy are Gandhiji has passionate love for underdog. गांधी जी का बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट लव था अंडरडॉग के लिए. ही हेटेड कास्ट सिस्टम. उनको कास्ट सिस्टम बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. ही हैड डीप फेथ इन नॉन वायलेंस. उनका बहुत ज़्यादा डीप फेथ था नॉन वायलेंस में. वायलेंस इन एनी फॉर्म वेदर इन वर्ड्स इज थॉट और इन डीड्स was unacceptable for him. He loved and wanted to see peace in the whole world. He was a champion of women's right. To be precise, he has a inventor in the field of social service. Read the passage and answer. Passage 1. Ram Mohan Roy had sounded the theme with his passionate advocacy of social reform. Vivekananda repeated it with a more national tremor when he declared that highest form of service of the great mother was social service. और ये पैरा है कहाँ तक? He succeeded in shifting the whole emphasis of Hindu thought towards a popular and equalitarian social order in a place of hierarchy of class and caste. Question number 1. Why did Vivekananda repeat with a more nationalist timbre? Okay, Vivekananda repeated the theme of social reform with a more nationalist timber. Now, what did Vivekananda declare? Vivekananda ने क्या डिक्लेयर किया? Vivekananda declared that highest form of service of great mother was social service. उनका कहने का था कि highest form of service है great mother was social service. How can it be said that Gandhiji was not an epitome? कैसे हम कह सकते हैं गांधी जी epitome नहीं थे? Gandhiji cannot be said an epitome of Hindu tradition as he was much influenced by Western idea. क्योंकि वो सबसे ज़्यादा influence किससे थे? Western ideas से. Number 4. What was unorthodox about Gandhiji? गांधीजी के बारे में unorthodox क्या है? Gandhi love for underdog and its antipath of caste to caste were unorthodox about him. Number 5. What was Gandhi pacifism inspired by? गांधी के pacifism किससे inspired थे? गांधी के pacifism was inspired by Sermon on Mount and Tolstoy. Number 6. Who according to the passage was a champion of women gift? कौन passage के according champion था women gift के? Gandhi was a champion of women gift. गांधी जी मतलब. Now, what theme did Gandhi develop? गांधी ने क्या थीम डेवलप किया था? गांधी was Maratha Brahman B.J. Tilak and Subhash Chandra Bose are declared as more orthodox than Gandhiji. गांधी जी डेवलप्ड द थीम ऑफ सोशल सर्विस एज रिलीजियस ड्यूटी. कैसे? एज अ रिलीजियस ड्यूटी. फाइंड फ्रॉम द पैसेज द वर्ड ऑपोजिट मीनिंग टू राइट. राइट का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? ड्यूटी. फाइंड फ्रॉम द पैसेज द वर्ड विच मीन बेसिक एलिमेंट. बेसिक एलिमेंट हो गया हमारा फंडामेंटल्स. नाउ पैसेज 2. फॉलोइंग अप द होल वर्क, the work of many less well-known 19th century reformers, Gandhiji and his followers of Indian National Congress has given new orientation and new life to Hindu culture. और ये पैरा खत्म होता है. Now it is well on the way assimilating the culture of West. Who has given a new life to Hindu culture? किसने नया लाइफ दिया था हिंदू कल्चर को? गांधी and his follower of Indian National Congress has given new life to हिंदू कल्चर. किसने? गांधी और उसके नेशनल कांग्रेस के फॉलोअर्स ने. नाउ व्हाट कैन बी एसिमुलेटेड बाय हिंदू रिलीजन. क्या एसिमुलेट होता है हिंदू रिलीजन से? द कल्चर ऑफ वेस्ट. जो कल्चर है वेस्ट का वो एसिमुलेट होता है. नाउ नेम द डिफरेंट कल्चर दैट हिंदू रिलीजन वाज हैज़ डाइजेस्टेड. कौन कौन सा कल्चर है जो हिंदू रिलीजन डाइजेस्ट करता है? द हिंदू रिलीजन हैज़ डाइजेस्टेड इंडो यूरोपियन, मेसोपोटामियन, ईरानियन, ग्रीक, रोम, सेंथियन, तुर्किश, Persia, Arab culture. Now, what can no one forecast about India? क्या लोग forecast नहीं कर सकते हैं about India? No one can forecast the future of India with any certainty. India का future. Now, how do Indians look back on their ancient culture? कैसे वो अपने ancient culture में देखते हैं? India look back on ancient culture with pride से. What is the need of Indian development? क्या need है Indian development का? It is needed for Indian development that the effect element is Indian cultures are given up. Number 7. What basic quality of Indian culture is mentioned here? कौन सा basic quality Indian culture का mention है? It is the continuity of Indian culture. क्या है? Continuity of Indian culture. Question number 8. What is the most spectacular feat of Hindu civilization? It is a feat of synthesis. कौन सा है? Feat of synthesis. Find from the passage the opposite meaning of solution. Solution का opposite क्या होता है? Problem. Now next is write the past form of develop. Develop का past क्या है? Develop. DVELOPED. ठीक है. और believe का past क्या है? Believed. 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 Now passage 3. Hindu civilization will be believe retain its continuity. The Bhagavad Gita will not cease to inspire men of action. Okay, इस पूरे पैरा का पहला क्वेश्चन है which Indian sculptures preaches action? The Bhagavad Gita preaches action. कौन सा है वो? भगवद गीता. Number 2. Whom do Upanishad inspire? किसको उपनिषद इंस्पायर करता है? उपनिषद inspire the men of thought को. Number 3. How has the Indian way of life been called? The Indian way of life being told charming and graceful. कैसे? Charming और graceful. Now, what will never vanish? क्या कभी vanish नहीं हो सकता है? The quiet and gentle happiness of Indian people, Indian life will never vanish. Name 2 evil practice of ancient India. 2 evil practice बताओ ancient India का. The 2 evil practices are widow burning और सती प्रथा और child marriage. कौन कौन सा? widow burning और सती प्रथा और child marriage. Number 6. Which system prevented Brahmins from traveling with so-called lower caste? Number 6. It was caste system. क्या था वो? caste system. How have child marriage been stopped? कैसे child marriage रोका गया? Child marriage has been stopped by law के through. In spite so many changes, what continues in India? बहुत सारे changes के बाद क्या भी अभी भी continue होता है? It is cultural tradition. कौन सा है? Cultural tradition. Now, from the passage, the word meaning opposite to modern. Modern का opposite क्या होता है? Widow. और make singular form बताना है आपको. विडो का, विडोज का सिंगुलर क्या हो गया, विडो, WIDO W। और हीरोज का HEROES का सिंगुलर क्या हो गया, हीरो, HERO, हीरो। थैंक यू।